Alright, this is the Chinese foot peg that I got. Just couldn't figure out how this spring goes. But this, my friends, is how the spring goes. You guys gotta see the other side, man. I jacked that thing up last night. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slightly modify this a little bit. Get rid of this. It's gonna look nice. I painted this. My wife says, how come there's no gold? It's got gold right there. I don't know. So I made the skid plate gold. And this skid plate is like, oh, bro, it's not going to offer the protection I need. So I'm going to have to get something a little bit better. Because, yeah, alrighty. That's later on. I don't have enough money right now. Alrighty, let's go look. Yeah, by far the most frustrating part is going to be running this pin through, because what they did was they powder coated it inside too. So yeah, I don't know, you might want to drill it out, but I like mine really stiff in there. I don't want a whole lot of play. You're going to need that because you're going to be banging stuff. Aloha. Malama pono. That is the foot peg. Yep. So you shove your pin in, put your cotter pin, trim the excess. Watch out, you might have to use something like this. I recommend you using some of these because they might save your eyeballs from getting that pin stuck in it. And this one in. Footpeg TW200 modification. Look at the stock one, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh, how you gonna ride on a bike like that? You gotta have some small feet, brother. I'm telling you, I don't have small feet, okay? I get 13 feet over here. Aloha.